Hello beautiful people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox and try on a limited edition makeup kit from the brand NUDESTIX. The Best of the Year kit is retailed for £56 and it contains 3 full-size bestseller products from the brand and 1 deluxe size product. The products come in this nice light pink see-through bag, which is very handy when you're traveling. Okay guys, let's open it and find out the Best of the Year products from the brand NUDESTIX. First I took out a mini nudies all over face highlight. It's a multitasking balm which may be applied on eyes, lips and face. It's made in Korea and it has 12 months the shelf life. The shade is called Bubbly Bee. It's a beautiful golden highlighter. Second product that we find, it comes in this black metal case with a NUDESTIX brand on it. There is a mirror inside the lid of the case, and here we have NUDESTIX Vegan Splash Proof Mascara. It's a waterproof and sweat-proof mascara with multivitamins and plant-based oils to moisturize and protect the lashes. It's made in Germany and the shelf life is 9 months. The wand is angled and it has silicone bristles, exactly how I like. Third product comes in the same black metal case. Inside we got Nudies Bloom, all over face dewy color in the shade Bohemian Rose. Is a multitasking balm that may be used all over the face. Is a dual-ended product. On one side we have the blending brush and on the other side we have a product itself. Nudies Bloom is made in Korea and the shelf life is 12 months. The shade is lovely. It's a beautiful nude pink color with a beautiful natural dewy finish. Lovely. The last product from the kit is the Brow Boost Plus Set Gel. It's a brow booster and a setting gel in the same time. It's made in Korea and it has 6 months the shelf life. I want to mention that inside of a metal packaging we have a very nice thank you for the purchase message, which is really cute. Okay beautiful people, we saw all the products from the kit. Now is the time to try them on. I will start with a Brow Boost Plus Set Gel. In the last time, to be honest, on my brows, I'm using only the brow setting gel. Even if my brows are not perfect, I like how they look this way. If I have a special occasion, then I use a brow pencil and after I set them in place with a brow setting gel. Well guys, this is a very good brow set gel. Obvious, I already wear it and resist amazing during the day. I like it a lot. Next, let's try the mascara. As I said, I like the wand of this mascara a lot, but I have a small issue with the formula. It's not the best one for my taste, of course. It's a bit too thick and sticks the lashes together. In the same time, a lot of the product is transferring to the lashes and you need a lot of time to spread it to get to the result that you want. For me, it's not the best mascara that I tried. Third, we will try Nudies Bloom. I will use it as a blush and I will apply it on the lips too. I like the formula of this product a lot. It's creamy. Easily you may spread it with your fingers, but because it comes with its brush, I want to use it. Guys, I love this product. It's divine. The shade is gorgeous. It has a beautiful natural dewy sheen, which I adore. As a lipstick, I like it even more. It's hydrating, it has a lovely sheen, I adore it. Now let's move to the all over face highlight. The golden highlighters aren't my favorite. I like more the highlighters with a cold undertone. About this product I can say that is really nice. The formula is great, it's blending effortless. I think that will look nice as an eyeshadow too. On the lips, I'm not sure that will work for me. Here we are at the end of today's video. My opinion about this kit is a good one. I really enjoy it and very happy that I tried. Okay beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!